We have back with us my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways.
Yes, and I had a great call I want to tell you about. The other day a lady called, and she was actually calling for a number that she missed on one of our other clients, but she wanted to thank us for introducing her to those Callaways. She had had her home listed with another agent, couldn't sell it, relisted with those Callaways, and it was sold within 3 weeks.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I know. So if you're
well,
looking
we
to
know
sell,
that they are that good.
That's right.
All right, now I have a home to talk about today.
Okay.
It's in Scottsdale. It's 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's just over 2,500 square feet, and it's custom built in 1996. It's in the Pima Acres subdivision, very well located near valley amenities and freeways. It's got dual pane windows throughout, the master suite. It's got the split plan, walk-in closets, tile surround shower, dual sinks, and 2 private exits, which is fantastic.
Yes.
The kitchen, it has the hardwood cabinets, stainless appliances, and a pantry. The laundry room is direct to the garage, and it has the suite access. They have the RV gate parking. They have, I love that they have all the different trees. They've got the citrus trees and all of that
gorgeous.
going around. But they have 12-foot ceilings. There's just so much with the formal living, so much to see, so people definitely need to check this home out.
And what is the price?
Oh yes, the price, all this for only $950,000. It's
like-
definitely a
yeah,
must-see, so
it
people
is.
need to check it out.